Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush the Discovery Boss. Before you do anything, subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. So we're in Portmore. We're gonna take a look at the Fontana Pharmacy and Business Center development. It's right beside Price Mart, right at a very central location on the Brayton Parkway. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you some ground shots, then some aerial shots. So stay tuned for that, guys. On this side, that building with the blue top is the Portmore Municipal Council building. It was finished a few years now, but it's still not open. But we'll get some drone shot of it, and hopefully it will open in 2023. So that's the Portmore Municipal Council building. Then from there we have the police station beside it, and then we have Price Mart, and then from Price Mart we have the Fontana development. Alright, so this is the Fontana Pharmacy and Business Center Portmore, future home. Alright, so as usual we'll get some better shots when we send up the drone, so you guys definitely stay tuned for some drone shots. Scotiabank close, CIBC close, and then you have a lot of Plaza going down that side. You have a Cinema Palace, Sunshine Palace, Sovereign Village. So very central area and very fast developing area as well. You know, if I was gonna live in Portmore, because I don't, I would live in this area. It's very central and a lot of different businesses that are close by and amenities, you know. But you guys tell me in the comments, where, say if you're not currently living in Portmore, where in Portmore would you live and why? Let me know in the comment section. And guys, remember, subscribing is free. That's the easiest way to support me and the channel. And, you know, all we do is to highlight the awesome developments happening in Jamaica, from house construction to commercial development, road development, new business, new recreation, everything good. That's what we highlight on the channel. So we're gonna set up the drone, so you guys stay tuned for that. And again, thanks for clicking, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for commenting. Really appreciate you guys. And thanks for all the support over the years and for continuing to support the channel in 2023. Let's check out some drone shots.